Working in an accordion and you want to bring in new fields within the accordion is very simple. In this example, I want to bring in a new field between question 2 and question 3. To do that, select the question after which you want the new one to appear, in this case question 2, and then select duplicate. And now you have a new entry there. So I can change this now to maybe question 2.1, or I'll have to change the whole sequence depending on what it is that I have there within the accordion. In the event though that you want to move these fields around and you want to put them in a different order, you have that option from the options toolbar when you select any of them. Let's take question 7 here at the bottom, select it and move it all the way to the top. That is done here with these up and down arrow keys. And I simply select up, 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 and you see we move it all the way to the top. And those that you want to move down, well, let's select question 1, move that one down, down, down. As simple as that. For more tutorials on Brizy Cloud and Brizy WordPress, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you next time.